Recently I had some downtime while visiting Longview, Texas, and decided to check the local home goods for spooky decor. Upon entering, I was greeted by this display front and center welcoming me into the store. I was delighted to see no shortage of skulls and skeletons, including the skeleton arm candle holder, some neat serving dishes, and these awesome bottle stoppers. Immediately to the right was the bulk of their Halloween decor, where I was greeted by this fine fellow. I gotta hand it to them, I was already liking what I was seeing. And believe me, there was plenty of skulls and skeletons to be found. Of course, they had plenty of items to spookify your dining room and kitchen, including a variety of drinkware, some of which was cheap plastic. But others were glass and ceramic. Of course, you could never have too many spooky coffee mugs. And if tea is more your thing, they've got teapots for you as well. They also had a variety of serving trays and bowls. These Ouija board trays were quite heavy. I actually struggled to lift it with one hand while filming. I might actually try to DIY a drink coaster set like this at some point. This is probably one of the more interesting spider bowls I've seen. They also had a bunch of glass skull bottles and cookie jars. course, if you end up with strawberry jam all over your hands, you're going to want plenty of hand towels to clean up the mess. I especially love this one. There was also a number of tablecloths and other things to get your table ready for that Halloween dinner party. Speaking of food, there was plenty of spooky snacks and pumpkin provisions to feed any ghouls or goblins you invite over. But back to Decor, they had several of these Halloween floor mats. They also had a bunch of table runners and mantle scarves packed onto this end cap. It was a bit difficult to sort through these with one hand, but there was some pretty neat ones. And just below our pumpkin-headed friend here, I found some cauldrons. And turning around, even more cauldrons. There was also a section that seemed to be going for a Christmas and Halloween kind of vibe. If you're a fan of cute things, this next section is right up your alley. and it should come as no surprise, I found pumpkins galore. And then of course there was also plenty of general fall decor. And if you've got pets, then you're in luck. They had spooky pet toys as well. And just as I thought I'd seen everything, I found this, well, a little bit of everything mixed together. And amongst the chaos, I somehow managed to find comfort in the pillow section. Before being bombarded with one last attempt to separate me from my money before I reached the checkout. And that was my journey through the Home Goods Halloween section. I want to give a quick shout out and thank you to my Patreon supporters who help fund the channel. Patreon supporters get early access to videos, various bonus content, and a number of other things. So if you enjoy my content and want to show support, consider subscribing on Patreon. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you, my creepy comrades, in another video.